Tips to help you quickly grow your YouTube channel. Growing a YouTube channel can be a daunting task, but with the right strategies, it can be done much more quickly. This presentation offers 10 useful tips to help you bring your channel to the next level. Tip 1. Harness your existing audience. One of the most effective ways to grow your YouTube channel is to harness your existing audience. This can be done by promoting your channel on your other social media platforms, on your website, or through email marketing. You can also use paid advertising to reach a wider audience. Tip 2. Interacting with your viewers is a great way to build a relationship with them and grow your channel. You can do this by replying to comments, engaging in discussion forums, and sending personal messages. This will help you build a loyal following and ultimately grow your YouTube channel. Tip 3. Reach your audience. Before you create content, it's important to research your audience. What type of content do they want to see? What kind of videos are they watching? What are their interests? Once you understand your audience, you can create content that appeals to them and helps you grow your YouTube channel. Tip 4. Optimize your video titles and description. Your video titles and descriptions are important for two reasons. They help your videos be found in YouTube's search engine, and they persuade viewers to watch your videos. When creating titles and descriptions, be sure to use keywords that your audience is searching for, and make sure your videos are interesting and eye-catching. Tip 5. Utilize catchy thumbnails. Your video thumbnail is the first thing potential viewers see when they come across your video, so make sure it's catchy and enticing. Use bright colors, text, and images that stand out and grab attention. If your thumbnails are boring or ugly, people are less likely to click on your videos. Tip 6. Leverage video tags. Tags are one of the most important factors in ranking your videos on YouTube. Use relevant and popular keywords as tags, and be sure to include a mix of both broad and specific tags. Also, don't forget to use tags to target your videos to specific audiences. For example, if you're targeting parents of young children, you might use tags like parenting, children, family, and kids. Tip 7. Use social media. Social media can be a great way to promote your YouTube channel and help you grow your audience. Use social media platforms like Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram to promote your videos and drive traffic to your channel. Be sure to include links to your channel in your social media profiles, and post engaging content that will encourage your followers to check out your videos. Tip 8. Take advantage of playlists. Playlists are a great way to keep your viewers engaged and help them find more of your videos. When creating a playlist, be sure to include a variety of videos that are related to your channel topic. You can also promote your playlists on social media and include them in your channel description. Tip 9. Invest in proper equipment. If you want to take your YouTube channel to the next level, investing in proper equipment is a must. While you don't need the most expensive gear, it's important to have a quality camera, microphone, and lighting. This will make a big difference in the quality of your videos and will help you attract more viewers. Tip 10. Collaborate with other YouTubers. Collaborating with other YouTube creators is a great way to grow your channel quickly. By appearing in each other's videos, you can reach a whole new audience and get more views and subscribers. Collaborating with other YouTubers can also help you improve your videos, since you can learn from each other and get new ideas.